Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric single slot payphone, and this is Jim's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. The locks have already been removed, and Jim sent a T key with the unit so that we could access the inside of this payphone. This unit needs to be converted for no money needed to make a call. And so what we need to do is troubleshoot the security cable for the handset. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit and the receiver capsule. We want to make sure that the handset security cable and the transmitter and the receiver can be used in the conversion. We asked Jim where he preferred the coins go if anyone were to put money into this payphone, and he wants the coins to go to the coin return. So we need to make sure that the coin validator has an open free path to the coin return. So we'll take care of that issue. This unit has programmable PC boards inside the unit, and we need to remove the programmable PC boards. They're of no use to us, and they will not be used in the conversion, so we'll take care of all those issues. We need to build up our tone generator circuits and reconfigure our wiring the way we need it configured to work the way we want it to work. Any circuits that we need to add to the conversion will take care of all of those issues. We will also need to troubleshoot the bell. We want the bell to have the most ringing action that we can get, and we need to reconfigure all of the wiring to the bell and a ring cycle circuit added to the situation. We will also be installing a line and a plug for the bell in case we ever need to remove the bell or repair the bell. We also want to reconfigure the situation between the front cover and the backboard. Right now, there's the normal payphone plug that plugs the front cover into the backboard. Now we're going to keep that idea, only we're going to reconfigure that situation altogether and also install a modular port so that Jim can simply bring in a line cord, any color, any length he chooses, and plug right into the line port so that you can activate the payphone with a telephone line. Now, Jim did not send the vault door. There was no need to send the vault door in the conversion, and it's just extra added weight, so he kept it at his location. We will be going through the entire payphone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot Western Electric payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs and conversion to this really cool single slot Western Electric payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our pickup. It's amplified, and we have that taped to the back of the receiver capsule so that we can pick up any audio on our checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electronic hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. Now let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we have transmit and receive, and that we're dialing out. I'm going to go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. We want to thank you for calling our time and temperature service. And to make a request, please tell your friends and family about us. We want to provide this service to as many people as we can. Today is Saturday, September 27th. The current time, 5:39 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our receiver up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Jim and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.